A major step forward to uplift the livelihoods of rice farmers and boost the nation's food security status was taken today with the inking of twin directives conceived to regulate the prices of milled and unmilled rice grains and mandate the distribution of produce and fish products only through accredited government outlets. Armela Las Moras fills us in with more.
House Speaker Faustino Boje D. III strongly believes that the country's food security will be further strengthened following the issuance of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. of two new executive orders. This include EO number 100, which mandates the establishment of the floor price of palay and providing trigger mechanisms for its implementation, and EO number 101, directing the full implementation of Republic Act number 11321 or the Sagip-Saka Act. Under the law, the Farmers and Fisherfolk Enterprise Development Program has been formally established, and all national and local government agencies have been directed to purchase agricultural and fishery products directly from accredited local producers. According to Speaker D, through these orders, the President has once again proven his genuine concern for our farmers and fisherfolk. He said these measures will greatly help protect the livelihoods of those in the agricultural sector and further strengthen the nation's food supply. Other lawmakers also praised the President's new directives, including House Deputy Speaker Paulo Ortega and House Deputy Speaker Jay Kong-hoon. Meanwhile, the Makabayan Bloc believes that the measures are still not enough and has laid out additional proposals to further improve the situation.
Dapat aksyonan na magtakda ng 20 pesos na farm gate price sa buying price ng palay.
Ultimately, ang kailangan talagang gawin ay ibasura na yung rice liberalization law, rice tarification law, at mag-focus muli sa todong pagsuporta sa lokal na produksyon ng palay at bigas para maging self-sufficient.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.